Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the project open. Place the playhead where you want the song to stop. Enable snapping and zoom in so your click lands exactly. Next, select the audio clip and press Command+B to blade at the playhead. This removes ambiguity. Once done, drag the unwanted tail to a separate lane or delete it. Make sure clips are linked or unlinked deliberately. Unlink if you need separate video editing. This gets you instantly ready for the core editing steps. Now focus on how the ending feels. Use the clip's built-in fade handle to drag a smooth fade or add a crossfade transition to the cut for instant polish. If you prefer control, use the audio animation to add keyframes for volume and bring it down over 1 to 3 seconds. This prevents pops. Once done, check the tail for room tone and, if necessary, add a subtle reverb or ambient loop to mask the cut. Make sure to monitor levels so dialogue or music doesn't clip. Finish by previewing the edit in context, playing from 2-3 seconds before the cut, and listening through different systems. Export a short reference file to confirm the ending behaves outside Final Cut Pro. If you hear clicks or pops, try nudging the cut by 1 frame or 2, or lengthen the fade by a fraction. Tiny timing shifts fix most artifacts. Finally, relink any media if unlinked clips moved, and lock the timeline range to prevent accidental edits, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.